Hello folks, got an old International going on the bed today. I just do like Facebook Reels. It's hard to get on YouTube, it seems like. So the drive shaft's already been pulled by someone else. When it was towed here, I just pinned the brakes, measured it. It's my measuring stick. It's 9 foot. So we're under 13.6. A good little water coming out of there. A lot of water. Got quite the shell of concrete on the inner lining of it. Just gonna hop down here, make sure we're lined up perfectly. Wow, there's a lot of water in there. Alright, get her chain down, on the road again. So she's free rolling. I put the chains on the front, rolled it back a little. 2 ratchet binders on the back. Like I said, it's only going around the corner, but it is tied down good. Get her rolled up here.